Hey, what's up? I already showed you Mpow H5 in the previous video, and now it's time to review these headphones. First of all, these are wireless Bluetooth headphones with active noise cancellation, dual 40mm drivers for the good bass, and 18 hours of battery life. The price of Mpow H5 is only $40. It looks like a good deal, do you agree? So let's make unboxing and full review of these headphones. Are they really as good as they look like? The box of Mpow H5 looks like this. Here we can see the image of headphones as well as company logo, H5 and wireless headset. On side you can find main features of headphones such as 4x active noise cancelling, foldable design and hi-fi audio. Inside the box there is instruction with user manual and important reminder. The reminder says that you shouldn't connect headphones to wrong charger because they can catch fire. It means that you shouldn't use fast charger from your smartphone. It is better to use USB cable from the package. Of course, there is micro USB cable for charging and 3.5mm cable to connect the headphones to smartphone if you don't want to use Bluetooth connection or the battery of headphones is dead. Also, there is closed back. The manufacturer says that the back is made of eco-friendly fabric and it really feels nice. I like it. That's all. Now let's look at design of Mpow H5 headphones. We have over-ear headphones and the cups are really large. They cover my ears completely. I think they will fit most people. Another feature of Mpow H5 headphones is foldable design. Just look how compact they are when folded. You can carry them in bag and they will not take much space during your travel. The headphones are made of plastic. I didn't find any metal materials. The outside of each cup has a glossy black finish. It easily attracts fingerprints, but it's also easy to wipe off them. By the way, there are logos on both caps, but they are low contrast and don't stand out. Ear cups rotate on 90 degrees and also you can adjust the lengths. The control buttons and ports are built into the earpods. The right cup has a noise cancellation switch and 3.5mm jack. The left cup provides micro USB port for charging, power button and volume control. That's all I can say about design of these headphones. Now let's talk a little about specifications and then test the sound quality. Mpow H5 is Bluetooth 4.1 headphones. Yeah, it is better to have Bluetooth 5.0 for longer range, but 4.1 is still good. You can use headphones up to 10 meters from the smartphone and other connected devices. Also, the headphones uses dual 40mm drivers that should offer a great sound. Later we will check it. Another feature is CVC 6.0 microphone, so you can answer phone calls. I didn't find information about battery capacity, but manufacturer promises 18 hours of battery life. In practice, Mpow H5 headphones deliver 10-12 hours of battery life with turn-on Bluetooth and active noise cancellation. I think it is very good result. The full battery charge takes 2 hours. I already said that you have to use only 5-watt charger. It is better to use USB cable from the package and charge from the laptop. Now I want to show you how to connect Mpow H5 headphones to smartphone. Press and hold power button for about 2 seconds and you will hear the voice in headphones. Then go to the settings menu on mobile device and connect to Mpow H5. The headphones are ready to use. Mpow H5 doesn't have built-in voice assistant, but you can press play buttons twice to activate your phone's assistant, for example, OK Google. When somebody calls you, just press the play button to answer. Also, there are volume control buttons, so you don't need to get a smartphone from the pocket to reduce or increase the volume. It's time to talk about sound quality. To be honest, I'm really impressed from sound quality of Mpow H5 headphones. Recently, I often listen through wireless earbuds, and I have already forgotten what is high-quality sound. Over-ear headphones have much better sound quality than wireless earbuds. I think it is obvious, but I forgot a little about this. Mpow H5 headphones have great bass and good mids with clear highs. Talking about noise cancellation, it really works. Perhaps it is the main feature in the headphones. When it is enabled, the headphones reduces low-frequency noise. I used the headphones on a crowded street, and the difference between turned on and off noise cancellation is great. You don't hear the noise from the cars, trams, etc., but you still hear high-frequency noises, such as human voices. By the way, I have noticed that NAC mode boosts the volume and sound quality even in a quiet room. so I used this feature even when it is not needed. As I already said, you can answer phone calls on Mpow H5 headphones. Incoming sound is good, but the outgoing sound is just okay. You should understand that the microphone is located at some distance from the mouth, so the sound cannot be perfect like on a phone. I think that Mpow H5 are great headphones for average user. I mean, if you're not audiophile and you don't really understand low, high frequencies, etc., you just need good wireless headphones for everyday use, then Mpow H5 is a good option. The headphones have nice design and good build quality, about 12 hours of battery life and active noise cancellation. The last one is the main feature, and I think it is the main reason to buy these headphones. The price of Mpow H5 headphones is only $40. In description I will leave the link on Amazon and AliExpress. Thanks for watching, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.